Hello, you're listening to Pachamama and Friends. Today we have a story that explains all about love, titled Love Grows Everywhere, written by Barry Jims and illustrated by Tisha Lee. Love grows everywhere. Love grows everywhere. From country farm to city square, from desert village, hot and dry, to mountain home where eagles fly. Love grows any place. It doesn't need a fancy space. No matter if the walls are bare, love only needs our thought and care. Yes, thought and care are all love needs to help it grow like tiny seeds. That might seem nothing much at first, till up until the light they burst. Love will find a way to brighten any cloudy day. A gentle hug, a perfect kiss, a song to bring back times you miss. A moment shared, a helping hand when things don't turn out quite as planned. A funny joke to bring good cheer, a kind word whispered in your ear. Love grows on the street and reaches out to those we meet. A neighbour from across the way, a friend from school who'd like to play. But there are others we might see who need our help or charity. As flowers turn towards the sun, love's friendly smile greets everyone. Love lifts hearts and minds and comes in different, many kinds. The kind that grows in peace and shade, the kind too bright to ever fade. There's love so great it fills the room, and love that takes its time to bloom. But each is precious from the start, a miracle that melts the heart. Love may hide away when times are hard and skies are grey, when hope seems nowhere to be found, or buried under stony ground. But if we're brave, perhaps we'll dare to show how much we really care. A kind of magic happens then, and love begins to grow again. Love grows everywhere, enough for all, a gift to share, budding, branching, leaves unfurled. Love will make a brighter world. The end. Well, I really hope you enjoyed today's story. What did you learn from it? Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!